Today, we shall look at how to get student visa to Canada, step-by-step guide. Thinking of studying in Canada, but confused about the student visa process? If you get this wrong, your dream could be delayed for years. Stay with us till the end of this video because we are breaking it down step by step. No confusion, no guesswork. And don't forget to follow College Desk Ghana so you don't miss updates that could change your future. Let's look at the step 1. Get admission from a DLI. Before anything else, you must gain admission into a designated learning institution, also known as a DLI. Your school must be officially approved by the Canadian government. Once accepted, you will receive a letter of acceptance, also called an LOA. No LOA, no visa. Step 2. Check your eligibility. To qualify for a Canadian student visa, you must prove the following: that you are admitted to a DLI, you have enough money to study and live in Canada, you have no criminal record, you are medically fit, and most importantly, you intend to return home after your studies. Step 3. Prepare your documents. The following documents are what you will need: valid passport, letter of acceptance, academic certificates and transcripts, proof of funds, passport-sized photos, statement of purpose, which is SOP. Missing or fake documents are one of the biggest reasons visas get refused. Take note of that. Let's move to step 4. Show proof of funds. Canada requires proof that you can support yourself. These are the following you will need. You will need tuition fees, at least 20,735 Canadian dollars for living expenses, plus travel costs. Accepted proofs include bank statements, scholarship letters, education loans, sponsored documents. Step 5. Write a strong SOP. Your statement of purpose can make or break your application. You should be able to explain why Canada, why the course and school, your career plans, why you will return home after your studies. If you have weak SOP, it's as equal as high chance of refusal. Step 6. Apply online via IRCC. Applications are done online through the IRCC portal. You will create an account, upload your documents, pay the fees. Study permit fee is 150 Canadian dollars. Biometrics fee is 85 Canadian dollars. Step number 7. Biometric submission. After applying, you will receive a biometrics instruction letter. Visit a visa application center to do the following: give fingerprints, take a photo. Biometrics are valid for 10 years. Step 8. Medical examination. Some students will be asked to do a medical exam with an IRCC approved doctor. This is common for long-term study programs. Step 9. Wait for a decision. Processing times vary by country. If approved, you will receive the following: a port of entry letter and your visa or travel authorization. Step number 10. The last but not the least, travel to Canada. When traveling to Canada, you need to carry the following along: passports and visa, POE letter, proof of funds, school documents. Your study permit is issued at the Canadian border, not online. Final tips: to avoid refusal, submit genuine documents, be consistent, apply early, show strong ties to your home country. If you are serious about studying in Canada, don't leave your future to chance. Follow College Desk Ghana for school admissions, SOP guidance, visa support, study abroad updates. Miss one update and you could miss your chance. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.
College Desk Ghana. Your excellence, our priority.